Objective: to locate tetrahedral and octahedral voids in CCP or FCC structure. We already learnt the relation between voids and formula of a compound. Let's see how tetrahedral and octahedral voids can be located in a CCP or FCC structure. Consider a CCP or FCC unit cell. Subdivide this big cube into 8 small cubes. Consider one such small cube. In this cube, spheres are present at alternate corners. When the centers of these spheres are joined, we get a tetrahedral void. As each small cube in a CCP or FCC unit cell has one tetrahedral void, there are 8 such tetrahedral voids in all. Also, we know that there are 4 atoms or ions in each CCP or FCC unit cell. So the number of tetrahedral voids is 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. Let us now locate an octahedral void in the CCP or FCC unit cell. The body center of this unit cell shows that it is surrounded by 6 spheres at the center of each phase. If these 6 spheres are joined, we get an octahedral void. This octahedral void contributes completely to this unit and is not shared by any other unit cells. Furthermore, octahedral voids are also present at the center of each edge. Each edge is shared by a total of 4 unit cells, therefore it contributes only 1/4 to each unit cell. So the total number of octahedral voids present per unit cell is 4. This is the same as the number of atoms or ions present in a CCP or FCC unit cell.